Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to remove followers on Twitter. Removing followers from Twitter, which is one of the most used communication tools of social media, is not as difficult as expected. Removing followers will take your time from a few hours to a few days, depending on the numbers of accounts attracted. So, of course, this process is not as difficult as it seems. So, here are the tips for removing followers on Twitter. Keep watching the video. There is no official way to force another account to unfollow you on Twitter, which makes sense as any removed account could start following you again soon afterward. There is, however, a strategy can be used that to delete followers on Twitter and prevent them from following you again. So here's how to remove those followers on Twitter and stop them from following you again. And don't worry, you won't be permanently blocking anyone unless you choose to. So today we're gonna be doing it on our mobile phone, and the main reason why my screen is looking like this is because I thought it would be easier for you guys to, how can I say, to read or see anything more clear. That's why I'm using it horizontally and not vertically. And so, let's go. So, how to remove them? Okay, this strategy actually requires the use of account privacy settings and the blocking feature, but yes, no, you're not blocking anyone unless you choose to. So while your followers won't be notified when you do this, they will be able to tell that they have unfollowed you if they view your profile or they try to, or notice a lack of tweets from you in their tweet. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna open our Twitter app, which I have done already. And then what we're gonna do now, we're gonna go here, as you can see. First of all, we're gonna go to our settings, okay? We're clicking here. And from here, we're gonna go privacy and safety. And we're gonna choose protect our tweets, which means actually hiding your profile. But don't worry, keep watching. So when we're done this, right? Okay, this is all good now. So let's go back to our profile. So let's find that person who we don't want them to follow us, right? Let's go down. Let me find someone. Okay, this is my housemate actually, but it's okay. She's gonna be okay with this fact. So what we're gonna do, as you can see, she's following me, but there's nothing that I can do, such as like remove her or something. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to block her here. Yes, block. I blocked her. Now I'm gonna remove her block from here. Yes. Now I'll go back, and you're not gonna see her here, which she was right down there. But let's refresh the feed. Yeah, it was reading like Kremazaru, and it was around here, and now it's not here anymore. I'm even going down to make sure to show you. No, she's not here because what I've done was when I blocked her, it made her unfollow me, because when you block someone, they cannot reach you or something. And I don't want her to stay blocked. So what I did, I removed the block instantly. And since my account right now is private, for her to follow me again, of course she can. If I remove my privacy out of my, if I turn this feature off, which let me show you. You see from here, settings and privacy and safety. When I remove this, of course she will able to follow me again. Yes, she will be. But if I turn it on back again like this, she will try to follow me. She will send a following request. But if I don't prove it, until the time that I prove it, she cannot follow me. But you still can turn it off if you just removed her, which is enough, So this was the whole process. Right now I'm gonna remove it because let's see if she wants to follow me back. When she gets home, I'll tell her, there's this video, I wanted to help others, so that's why I blocked you and stuff like that. No, that's why I removed you. So this is how you remove someone from your Twitter. Easy, yes, taking few steps, but it's still cool. You can do it. It's very easy. On your mobile, we showed how to do it, and also we showed you guys how to do it on your desktop, and the process is almost the same. Only the buttons are changing a bit. So thank you for watching. If you have any question about this video or about related to Twitter or anything else about social media platforms, or maybe I don't know, some other questions, you can ask me on the comments and I'll come down there and watch your read your questions, and then I'll be answering them. And by that time, maybe you also added some suggestions to your comments that yeah, you can do this more, you can do this less, we need this kind of content. I'm open to all suggestions, so you can also put them down there. And if you like this video, which I know you did, like removing someone, and you didn't know how to do it, but you know how to do it thanks to me right now. So it's all good, it's all cool. I know you liked it. I know you found it helpful, so don't forget to give the thumbs up. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, I know you did, but I'm talking, If you haven't, maybe you forgot or something. Just go and click that button because it's easier than removing a follower, and I know you can do it. Thanks for watching, guys, and see you guys in the next video.